Hello, I am JasmineLatishea. Welcome to my channel. Make sure you subscribe and follow me as I continue my weight loss journey and document from the beginning to end. So if you want to follow my progress, hit the notification bell and subscribe. Make sure you like. Okay, in the next clip, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a detox drink and giving you the recipe on how to make that. Now, I wanted to come in front of the video to tell you guys how many times a day to do this. Now, if you, and kind of a disclaimer, if you have high blood pressure, you do not probably want to take this more than once a day because it's involving 3 ingredients. That is apple cider vinegar, baking soda, and lemon. So you don't want to be taking this probably more than once a day if you already have high blood pressure, you know, with sodium. So make sure you probably try to just do this once a day. We're only going to be using a teaspoon of the sodium bicarbonate, aka baking soda. And as far as substitutions, now for the lemon, I would prefer to use a real lemon or lemon oil you can use. I would say use about 3 to 4 drops of lemon oil. You can put that in a capsule with a carrier oil like olive oil, grapeseed, coconut oil, something like that. Put those in that drop, take it in a capsule, right? Or just put it directly into the drink. And they have some little squeezes. I usually find them in like the vegetable section at the grocery store. So grab that one and not so much that big tall bottle of lemon juice, right? So for lemon, either the small, because I've been going into the store and it's been, you never know whether you're going to find lemons or not. And also another substitute for the lemon, if you can't find it, grab a lime and see how that works, right? So, yeah, those are the substitutions that you can use for lemon. They're for the apple cider vinegar. Either use, the only substitution I would pretty much say for the apple cider vinegar is what you will see in the video. Next, you will see the pills that I have, or use the cheap one without the mother. But preferably get the, what is that? Bragg's apple cider vinegar with the mother in the bottom. The mother is like, it's kind of pulpish looking. It's like the apple in the bottom of the jar, if some of you don't know what that is with the mother. But when you shake it up, you'll see this stuff in the bottom of the jar. That's what's called mother. Okay, so if you're not going to have the best one, get a cheap one of that. And that's about it. But I did just want to give a disclaimer about how many times a day to use this. I would try it twice, but I don't really want to press my luck. I do have blood pressure issues, so I won't be taking more than one. And we will be doing this over 14 days. So I think I will go to this treatment probably once a month for 7 days after this month. But for this month, I'm going to do it because I don't do it all the time. So I'm going to do it for 14 days this first time just to get a kickstart into the weight loss and getting back where I need to be. Okay, so stay tuned. Make sure you watch it to the end. Thank you guys for watching and tuning in. Stay tuned. Hello. Today we're going to be doing detox drink, a detox drink with only 3 ingredients. We got baking soda, lemon, and apple cider vinegar. So this is going to be really, 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 really quick. Got somewhere to go. So cut this in half. You think you got everything ready, but you don't. So I got this juicer right here. Cut the lemon in half. Only thing you need is a half a lemon. Just juice it. Ooh, too much powder. Okay, just juice it, juice it. Like I said, you only need half. It's not gonna take that long. That's what I like about this. It don't take that long. It's really, really quick. Not too much preparation needed. And that yielded, let's measure it. See how much that yields. Okay. One. Okay. Half a lemon, depending on the size. That was about a medium. Yields about 2 tablespoons of juice. So 2 tablespoons lemon juice. I'm gonna take a teaspoon of baking soda. Now this is a half teaspoon, so we're gonna use 2. You know what? I'm gonna put in my apple cider vinegar first. That's what I wanted. You know what? We'll just do it this way. And it's gonna fizz up. Two. I need that. I'll put it back. Okay. We're gonna use this tablespoon for apple cider vinegar. Make sure you get the good kind. I also have pills, so technically I can just do 2 of these, and this is 500 milligrams, and it also has ginger, cayenne, and maple in there. So, but if you don't have that, just add 1 tablespoon of that in here. I think I'm gonna just take the pills today. Well, I'll do it for the video's sake. 1 tablespoon. Heaping tablespoon. Okay. Now I'm gonna add a little bit of water to it. Just about, add a cup of water, or add a, see me, I don't like really, really nasty drinks. So I add about a half cup of water. And then right after, immediately, I drink another cup. Cup ready. Because I do not like a nasty drink. Okay. I don't like drinking nasty drinks. Well, you know that.
Oh, get it right.
I know. Okay, I'm about to drink the drink. Look. Yes. Okay. It's not too bad, but it ain't good. And I just chug that. And we're going to be doing that for about 14 days. That water's hot. Ooh, wait. You never taste no water that hot. Woo. Okay, I feel like a full filling right off the bat. But we're going to be starting off in the mornings doing this, okay? When you first get up, make sure it's on an empty stomach. But if you forget and you eat, technically we're supposed to be fasting, so you shouldn't be eating anyway. So you should have time to remember to do the detox first. So make sure you're doing this first in the morning, empty stomach. Remember, if you did eat, still take your detox anyway. So, see y'all later. Thanks for watching. I should have looked better than this. Oh well. It's about. Bye. Oh, but this is supposed to help with help you get a flat belly, right? Help burn more fat. This will help detox the system. So we're going to be doing this over a period of 14 days in a combination with other things. So we won't know the direct results, but I will know if it's helping by, I guess, a couple weeks in or whatnot. I'm looking at the wrong side, but a couple weeks within, I should know whether it's help with the assisting. So we're going to do this for 14 days, see how it goes every day in the morning in relation to the intermittent fasting and 500 calorie 1 meal a day diet. Okay, so I wanted to just come back in and make sure that I said what it's for: belly fat, help burn fat, and detox. Okay, help clean out your system. So thanks for watching. Have a blessed day.